Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest. Look no further because in this video today, ladies, I am diving into the amazing benefits of crochet hairstyles. Yes, a protective and low maintenance option that's perfect for any occasion. From reducing breakage and promoting hair growth to adding volume and texture, I am covering it all today, ladies, for you. I'm going to share with you a variety of crochet hairstyles with straight hair. Yes, as you can see here, this was a beautiful crochet hairstyle. This is a knotless method with an updo ponytail and a bang. Yes, and this is another knotless crochet method that you can use where no one will ever be able to know that they are crochets. Look how natural this looks. No one will ever know that this is a crochet style. It looks nice and natural. She is doing the teasing method, and that is going to give it the natural look in the back. When she pulls it up into a ponytail, it looks so natural. I just love the way this looks. Yes, ladies, whether you are looking for a stylish alternative to traditional styling methods or simply want to give your hair a break, crochet styles are definitely worth considering. So sit back, relax, and let's jump into this crochet braid journey. Again, I'm going to show you a lot of different styles of crochets with straight hair. Yes, look at this one that is coming up. She's doing a beautiful crochet style on her hair. She just did about 8 braids going straight to the back, and she is getting to work. Yes, just crocheting these crochets in. Crochet braids are a game-changing solution that's gained popularity in the recent years. By using crochet braids, you can achieve a straight hair look without the damage. Look how gorgeous this came out. This looks so natural. It looks just like her natural hair. However, these are what crochets, and they are very versatile, meaning you can wear them in many different styles. Most hairstyles can be worn in just a variety of different ways, which is such a great benefit of crochets. Crochet hairstyles offer an incredible amount of versatility. You can wear them in a variety of styles, from sleek to straight, from curly to voluptuous, meaning you can have a lot of volume with these crochet braids. Then look at this crochet style. Again, this is another knotless style, and look how gorgeous this is coming out. They are so cute. Again, she did some braids going straight to the back, and here she's just blow drying it to give it that blowout look, and look how natural this came out. Ladies, if you have not tried crochet braid styles, you need to try them today. You can wear them up, you can wear them down, you can wear half up, half down. You can just wear them in so many different styles. This is so great. You can wear straight hair, curly hair, and again, you can wear them where they have lots of volume. And I'm going to show you a style like that very shortly. So again, a lot of times people are using the teasing method, and that gives you that natural hairline look. Yes, ladies, you want your hair and your crochet styles to look as natural as possible, and to do that, you can use that teasing method, and look how beautiful this came out. Absolutely gorgeous. Up off your hair, up off your neck, up off your face, and just into a beautiful bun style. I am so happy to share these styles with so many different people and give you the upside of wearing crochet hairstyles. Again, they are so versatile, and you can wear them in many different textures and many different styles, from being professional to just a regular casual style. They are very simple and easy to install as well. So that is another benefit. So please continue to keep watching. Support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to tap that bell because I upload new videos every single day. Stay safe, stay blessed, and continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is created. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.